Welcome back to the channel, and I'm glad you're here today. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the tab bar in Via Browser on your mobile phone. If you prefer faster tab switching and better browsing control, improve your daily experience. First, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, find and tap on Toolbar Settings. Now, find the option called Enable Tab Bar and make sure it is checked. Finally, return to the main browser screen and you will see the tab bar enabled, allowing you to switch between tabs more easily. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who may find it useful.